Thank you. Good afternoon now. Oh no, still the good morning. All right. So thank you for having me today. My name is Dong-Eun Kim from HANCOM in Space. So I'm very glad to share the HANCOM in Space journey on the drone and the satellite business. So my title is the Drone Set, a fully automated drone operation system. So the HANCOM in Space is specialized in aerospace industry. We offer a comprehensive Earth observation data collecting from space, aviation, and land, utilizing sensors from the space, air, and the ground. And with our in-house developed multi-intelligence software, analyze the acquired data, and we provide to our customer with valuable insight to support their decision making. So as we operate across the space, air, and the ground, so our business can be divided into three divisions. So for the space sector, we manufacture and develop the Cube satellite and the ground station system as well. And for the aviation, we provide the automated drone operating system, both complete with both hardware and the software. And for the ground industry, we focusing on the developing the high-performance camera, and together with the AI-based multi-purpose surveillance solution for the real-time monitoring. So this is kind of the full package technology for the collection, analysis, and the provision of the aerospace data. So for the space business, we were the first one to launch the Korea's non-government satellite in 2022. And just last month, we have launched the second one. And by next year, we will be launching 3 more satellites. So our target is by 2030, we will be launching 50 units of the satellite. That means we can we can operate the satellite constellation, and we can get the data more frequently. With the development of the satellite, also we are providing the ground station software like mission planning, simulation, and the prediction of the system. So currently, our platforms are running in the Korean Aerospace Research Institute like KARI, KASI, and KMA, etc. With the software, we provide the image data analytics, which is the biggest segment of our company. So using the multi-source image fusion system, we provide change detection for the disaster and the surveillance, and the agricultural environment, forest management, disaster monitoring, and the military usages. So those are our software sector in the space business. And yeah, this is one of the example for the utilizing our AI technology for the change detection system. Since South Korea still have the tension between North Korea, this kind of information is quite crucial to the government and the militaries. Okay, now we're back to the aviation business sector. So we provide a fully automated drone operating system. Actually, we have started this kind of business since 2019 in South Korea. But nowadays, it's expanding over the world, as DJI also launched the DJI Dog as well. So the concept is that traditionally, the pilot has to be at the field, at the site to operate the drone. But we try to minimize humans' intervention into drone operating system. So we have installed the drone and the drone station at the remote area. And through the network, we control those hardware from the control center. And the drone will fly for the disaster monitoring, emergency response, and giving the live streaming video to the control center. So these are our HANCOM in Spaces drone series from small size to medium sized drone. The middle one actually selected by the Korean military service. So we are supplying more than 300 units of this drone to the military. And this is the drone station. So it can store the drone during the normal time, but once we give it the mission, then the drone will come out from the drone station and drone can take off from the station. And once the mission finishes, then the drone will back to the drone station and do the automatic charging. And just recently we have developed the auto swapping of the battery so it can continuously do the mission. So this is a quite interesting application in South Korea. So we have installed this system on the fire station's rooftop. So whenever they receive the emergency call on the fire, then the drone will fly to that area before firefighter reaches. Then the drone will stream a live video to the control center so that they can prepare more efficiently. So we have installed 15 area, but just only one operator can control the drone and receiving the data. So once we have a network system, then wherever we can control the drone and receiving the data. So we just brought our software to the Saudi Arabia. Then we control the hardwares in South Korea, and in real time we can get the data so that we can export our drone system to the Saudi Arabia as well. And this is another interesting one. So in Japan, we have installed this system for the solar panel security management. So in Japan, there's many thieves steal the parts and the components of the solar panel area. So the insurance company does not cover the area anymore. So that's why they are demanding the new technology to protect the facilities. So we have integrated with the ground camera system and the drone. So during the normal time, the ground camera system will surveillance the area. So once the person detected, then that signal going to the drone, and the drone will fly to that area, and the drone will broadcasting through the video, through the speaker, and recording the video of the human. So so this is kind of a POC stage for now. When we wanted to expand this system over the Japanese solar panel facilities. And this is another AI technology detection system using the drone cameras. So we can apply to the crowd management and the detecting the car and counting of the car, vehicle, bus, something like that. So this is summarized our story. So we have eyes in space and the aviation and on the ground. So we operate those hardwares from our control system, and we provide analyze the data to the customer to support their decision making. So this is so far our last slide of the HANCOM in space, and I just prepared for how we can collaborate together with the U.S. Approach. So we think the one is the long-range drone flight test is quite necessary to the South Korean drone companies. So we do also have some flight test center, but it is quite small and it's difficult to book a schedule to use their facilities. So in U.S., we maybe have the more wide area, broad area to get the long flight test area. So I was thinking with this kind of collaborated committees, the government, public institution, local governments, and universities are in this committee and wanted to build this kind of collaboration, work with them. And this is also our investment plan to the US as well. So since we do have the drone and the satellite system and the image analysis technology, we apply this technology for the agricultural management system. So in the field area of the livestock, so we can, such as the cattle and the sheep, and also with the crops, we can utilize our UAVs and the image analysis technology, so we can manage it more like an automation system. And later on, also we do have the satellite series, so we want to establish the ground station system on that field. Yeah. So yeah, thank you very much for your attention. Yeah, thank you.